In today's video, I will show you how we can extract data from frame. So here is the definition of frame on W3 school. The frame tag was used in HTML4 to define one particular window frame within a frame set. Now, what to use instead? So in HTML4, frame was used and now it is updated. So instead of frame, here its name is iframe. So to take to embed another document within current HTML document. So this is the definition, and we are interested to extract data from this dictionary for all of alphabets. So how it's work? We have to click each alphabet. When I click, so here is all of alphabets related to A. When I click on each, so here is definition. So we are interested to extract this alphabet, each alphabet for A up to so on and their corresponding definition. So this is our goal. But this website use frames for each section for this alphabets, also for this one and for this. So I will share the logic, extract data from this frame, then move back toward this section and click this alphabet, then come again here and extract this data. So let's move toward the code section. So here is our file. I already extract this for saving time. So I just share the logic with you so you can easily use it on your site for website having frames. So I will share the code link also in description. So let me press Alt F11 for code section. So here is it. So from here, this is the default structure we are using up to this area. So from here, our main logic start. ALP index mean alphabetic index. So I assign 1 for this one. So first start from A. Then for I is equal to 1 to 54. So this is because here are 27 alphabets and I add one more for this definition. So now total columns will 54. So that's why this loop will move from 1 to 54. Then driver, this is the command driver dot switch to frame and then the frame name. So let's see the name of this frame. So I am press F12 from the keyboard and here is it. Hence I'm pressing this and like this. So you can see here, let me zoom it. Frame name equal to alphabet frame. So this is the name. It will switch to this frame. Then ALP will be 0. Right? And then get alphabet. So this is the X path for these alphabets from A to Z. So ALP is equal to 1 and if LP is equal to appendix, this one. So it's mean it is 1, then we have to click this A. When it clicks, so it will wait for 5 seconds to load this table properly and then this loop will be finished because LP equal one time only for this one. This is one for the rest it will ignore. And then here we have to move again toward the main window, this whole, because we are now moving from this frame to this one here. Because after clicking this box appear and we are interested to click each alphabet and then extract this alphabet also the definition. So that's why Then driver dot switch to frame entry frame. So this is the entry frame. Let me show you. Now you can see here frame name is equal to entry frame, this one. Then row is equal to 2, this. So start from row 2, and then for each alien driver, so this, let's suppose this A, so it will start from A, then a boko, then a bojo, one by one. So it will click and extract this A and place it in row 2 and this column for A. Then we have to move back to the main window, because after clicking this we have to move toward this frame to extract the definition, so that's why. And the name of this frame is content frame, you can see here. So when it's moved toward this, so it will active the cells row I plus 1. So this is the I column, and I plus 1 will be the key definition. So that's why, so it will extract, you can see here, body text, this definition whole, and place it within corresponding column. Then after it will increment row by 1 for next row 3, and again it will move toward the main window and then entry frame. So from here we will come back toward this again, so that's why first move toward the main window, then entry window. It will move from here, then again here, here, and then again here. So the loop will continue until the whole alphabets for A will be done. So once it's done, then it will move toward, you can see here next time. So once it's done, then here it will move toward the main window again, and it will increment I plus 1 equal to I plus 1. So it will start from column 3, because first one is for word and the second is for definition. So now it's moved toward the column 3 for next word, and alphabet index will be incremented by, so it's time to click on B instead of 1. And here is the next I. So once it's all of 27 alphabet done, then the loop will exit, and this command is to close the Chrome browser. So if you have any question, you can ask. I will share the link of this code in description. Try on it. Hope you will get useful information from this. Thanks for watching the video.